Hey you guys, look at this amazing product that I got from Prairie. So let's see what this is. This is a Luxe cream. Second. Open this up. I love Prairie. I love how it's so smooth. Texture, it's so amazing. Look at this packaging, how gorgeous this is. Oh my god, it's all this dark blue and silver, which is epic. Oh my god, and I love that stamp. It's so chic. They really, really, really take a lot of pride with their product. Hey Fluff, how are you? Welcome to the Prairie. And then, ta-da! This gorgeous, let's see, skin caviar. This is my favorite. And we make a little poke into it. Oh no, it goes like this. Put that in there. And then we're gonna try a little of the skin caviar. Okay, we can put it on, we can use this. You can use this with your finger. Or you can do what I'm doing, because this is my bottle. Oh, skin caviar. Thank you, the Prairie. Thank you, skin caviar. Thank you. Oh, my god, it smells so good. Should I lick it? Just kidding. Thank you. Bye, Prairie. Thank you.